All right, guys, so this is my main project. This room is going to be my office come dressing room. So we're going to be transforming this whole room together. So as you can see, currently there is a 3-door wardrobe in here, which I'm going to be getting rid of. And then all of my stuff in boxes and suitcases, which is not ideal. So what my plan is obviously along with the rest of the flat, we're going to have a repaint done just to refresh everything. But I also want to have Ikea a Pax system down here. So I'm thinking that I'll probably keep the same length and maybe add potentially another double unit to maybe take this out to here and have storage for skincare, storage for clothing, and then at the top by the window have a desk so I can get that natural light for my content. That is the plan. I mean, the lighting in here is absolutely gorgeous. Like, the curtains are closed and this is what I'm getting on my skin. So it's a really, really great filming space. But right now, it's just full with stuff. So I haven't got anywhere to put the stuff into right now, which is the issue. So what I'm thinking is, the sooner I can get to Ikea and get this system built, the better realistically, because without somewhere to put the stuff, there's not really much point in me unpacking many things. I don't want to unpack and put them all over the house, basically. So that is my plan of action. Realistically, I would love to go to Ikea this week at some point for a design consultancy. I'm actually tempted after the decorator leaves this evening to maybe go. I'm going to check their opening hours. If tonight's a late night, oh God, that's just washed me out. If tonight is a late night at Ikea, like opening shopping hours, I think I'll pop down there this evening just to get an idea and a quote, because you can get them to basically design the system with you. And I did see a company on Instagram that do this for a charge. They do also fit it as well for you, but I'm pretty happy to get a TaskRabbit to fit it. But I do want to sit down with someone and talk about what my needs are. You know, how many areas that I need for trousers, for example, how many areas I need for long hanging items, shorter hanging items, drawers, you know, all these things. Oh, good morning, guys. I have no idea what day it is. It's a bank holiday weekend. My Ikea boxes have all arrived. So most of them are actually here behind the suitcases. So right now we're just clearing out my office room. As you can see, everything is basically still in boxes. So the boxes are all going to be transferred out of my office into my boyfriend's office, and then the guy is going to come tomorrow, dismantle this wardrobe, and then this wall is going to be wardrobes, basically double the space. So double the side of wardrobes with no doors. That's my Ikea Pax system that's going in. I literally went to get braids last night. The girl started at 6 p.m. and I didn't leave until 3 a.m. So I'm rather tired because they literally came to drop off the boxes from Ikea at like 7:30 a.m. So I'm quite tired, but the good thing is I didn't really unpack a lot of things in here. So everything is still pretty much in the boxes. So it's pretty simple to just box, move them into different rooms. But yeah, I'm super excited. Let me give you a good view of the room so you can see the final before. Well, I'll show you before when it's clear as well, but this is the before with the boxes as well. So this is like bits and bobs. This is the skincare, obviously, in the crates, camera stuff, Rocky's crate, some coffee tables. And this is a lamp actually that we bought from made.com that's going to go in the living room, I think. But yeah, luckily it's just like moving the boxes, so it's not going to be too time consuming. The only thing is I did unpack some clothes because these were in a wardrobe box from the movers. So I think I'm just going to move them to another hanging space for the time being. But luckily I have a lot of luggage. I'm not going to keep all these suitcases after this move, to be honest. I'm probably going to get rid of maybe this one. But yeah, I'm excited. It's coming together slowly but surely. Okay, mind Rocky. Hey, honey. Hi, honey. So the office is empty. Obviously the curtains and the light fixture are going to get changed in due course, but this is the room empty. Let me close the door so you guys can see. It's actually a decent sized space. It's a very, very big room. This wardrobe is going to go down. The guy that's coming from TaskRabbit is going to do that. So envisage that to about here is where we're going to be wardrobing. No doors, still like a decent amount of space here. I was considering putting my desk here at the end, but now I think about it, I think I might put my desk on this side just so I've got all of this free window space to film content. But yes, we are sorted. 3, 2, 1. It's up. So this is my storage. So basically these two here are going to be dedicated to skincare and work, and these ones here are going to be dedicated to clothes, obviously. I did buy this shoe rack here. I'm just going to see how it goes, but I'm realistically thinking that I might get like a mini chest of drawers that goes inside here that fits in. Ikea sell them. And I need a step ladder or like a tiny stepper just to reach those top shelves. It's great though because the shelves are super, super deep. You know, the room still feels quite spacious, so it's going to be all repainted, but I'm going to put my desk on this side so that when I'm here, my background will be my skincare. Obviously, there's natural light coming in this way, but yeah, super happy with it. Monday the 6th of June. I can't believe it's June. It really freaks me out. Like, where's the time gone? The bank holiday weekend has been and gone, and as you know, my office is getting together. So one of my main tasks today, honestly, I just want to get everything out of the boxes they're in and put them in the drawers on the shelves, and then within due course I will organize how they look on the shelves. I've just placed an Amazon order. Let me show you actually. I've just placed an Amazon order for these like drawer organizers. Anyway, I've ordered some drawer organizers that are kind of adjustable. It's kind of like a cross stitch, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. So I've ordered those and they should come tomorrow, because right now it's just everything in the drawers, which is better than it being in the crate, but I need organisation and structure in my life, obviously. Let me give you a realistic update. So these are shoes, these are clothes which need to go in the drawer. I think I mentioned yesterday, maybe I didn't, I'm ordering another drawer from Amazon to go here. Not Amazon, sorry, Ikea. I'm kind of tempted to get two, I'll be completely honest. Just so I've got some nice deep clothing drawers, because I didn't consider that when I was designing this. That's my, what's it called, trousers hanging section. I'm gonna have another shelf up here. And yeah, these are the crates which need to be unpacked, which is fine. As you can see, there's plenty of space for them to be unpacked on here. These boxes are actually majority empty now, which is great. That's Rocky's crate under there, which I need to decide where it's going to go. And this is all my artwork, which is not going to be up, essentially. I didn't actually get to take a lot of the art out before the movers came. It's like these white frames here I don't want to keep, but I want to keep the artwork. These black frames here will definitely go up somewhere because they're really good quality and the art's really good in them as well. And I like the wooden frames as well. So yeah, we will get there eventually, but right now I'm going to start working on these boxes. From unpacking and having my breakfast. Oh, I'm looking at Instagram as well, obviously. You guys know she loves her Avalon toast with eggs, a little juice. This is a juice I don't think I've ever had before from Tesco. It's like orange and mango. It's giving sweet. Anyway, I am going to enjoy this goodness before cracking on with about half an hour more on the room. Then I'm gonna get showered and dressed and head to Okay folks, it's 7:30 p.m. so I literally got back from Pilates, ate a frozen pizza and have been in here ever since. And to be honest, these are empty boxes. These are empty. I mean, it's empty or it's got rubbish in. She's got a lot done today. She's got quite a lot done. I'm very confident that by the end of day tomorrow this will be completely finished. I am going to try and challenge myself to store things without the extra drawers. I do still think they're necessary, but I think it's a good challenge. But yeah, tomorrow from Amazon will be the drawer organizers, I think. I'm sure that's coming tomorrow because it's a hot mess. Like inside the drawers, it's not cute. I can confirm it's not very cute. but we're getting somewhere. Sorry, this bloody camera has the longest strap ever. But yeah, we are getting somewhere. I've set up my Wi-Fi like extender in this room. Oh, how cute. Set up my Wi-Fi extender in this room. So my Alexa and everyone is in here. Super, super happy. Clothes are starting to hang. They need to be organised, but I just want to get everything out of suitcase, out of boxes, in a place, and then we can go from there. But yeah, I'm having a good old sing-song to Spotify while I carry on unpacking, to be honest. Not that interesting. Good morning, guys. Let me just put you on the knife block. I mean, I did pay for a tripod with this camera. I don't know why I'm not using it. Anyway, good morning. It is Tuesday the 7th of June. As you can hear, it's all going on. It's like 8 AM. I've been up for about half an hour. Just taken Rocky for a very quick stroll outside. Just come back in to make some breakfast and have a shower, and then I'll take him for another long walk before I have to go for the day. So today is a busy one. I've got an event with number 7, which should be really, really exciting. I'm looking forward to it. Very nice that they've started to invite me to stuff. I don't know if you guys remember, I went to one of their like launch parties a couple of months ago, maybe like 2 months ago, which was really, really fun. And then today it's like a masterclass to learn about some of the products that they've been developing, which I'm looking forward to because you guys know I'm always interested to hear about the product development side of things. So I'm actually really looking forward to that. And I have strategically planned to go straight from the event to Pilates, which is like 9 minutes away. And then after that, I'm gonna go for a quick sauna. The sauna is like 5 minutes walk from Pilates straight after. So that is a plan of action. Hi guys, hope I'm not too washed out from the sun. I'm in Knightsbridge outside of Harrods. So I'm here for the number 7 event. It's not here, so I have to walk a little bit. And you guys know me, she always gets lost, right? I mean, I'm at the right tube station, which is always a good start. Let's see which way I need to walk now. Okay, Google Maps, lead the way. Okay, cool, we're going this way. Yeah, I'm really excited. Today's beautiful. The weather has been so shit the past few days, so I'm honestly shocked that it's so nice today. But yes, I'm gonna quickly pop to the event, and then I did plan to go straight back to Victoria to go to Pilates, but I kind of wish that I didn't, because I never come to Harrods. Like, I mean, you guys watch my vlogs, you know I love Selfridges. I go to Selfridges all of the time. It's my favourite place to shop, but Harrods is just a little bit special and somewhere that I never really visit, to be honest. So I kind of wish that I hadn't booked that class, but I've got my workout gear. Your girl needs to work out, so I'm gonna go. Also, I didn't know that Harrods isn't dog friendly. I'm assuming there's a guy outside with his dog. And that also probably explains why I never come here, because I like to bring the boy, don't I? Right, let's go, and I'll show you guys this beautiful, beautiful area.
Now we've worked with the University of Manchester, looking inside the skin, getting the skin to reveal its secrets, for around 15 years now. And I actually used to work there as a scientist and then moved across to number 7. So I'm very passionate about Manchester.
It actually took so much longer than I anticipated to get these drawers together, I'll be completely honest, because I did unpack everything, which I still don't regret doing, to get the crates out of the way. But I had to put things back into crates, put the crates back together, then put the plastic storage solution into the drawers, then unpack all the skincare into the drawers. However, I feel like we're at a pretty good place now. The skincare is all unpacked and I'm pretty happy with the system that's in place. However, I do think that these kinds of things can always be improved, so I will be sharing more office updates as we go through, because I just feel like this is a fun thing we can work on together. As you can also see, I did get some perfume storage and also some shelf risers, which is why the third shelf up, second shelf, third shelf, the products are more staggered. And then on the first shelf down, you can see my perfumes run like a rotator. So this is where we're at so far. As I said, you've got the shelf risers, the drawer organizers are in. So happy. I do need to get a few more shelf risers for those empty shelves. And here's my drawers. They actually look a little more organized now. But yeah, so happy.